Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a bathroom today and the bathtub has been backing up. So you can see it's plugged up here. Just before we get started, I just want to say, if you guys like these kind of videos and you want to see some more, just give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I looked at my analytics, and apparently like 75% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you're one of them and you want to take that number down a bit, just give that button a little press, and we'll get this looked after. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M12. You guys can see that's green and perfect. Awesome. All right, guys, just want to thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I asked in the beginning, if you did like the video and you're not subscribed and you want to subscribe, that'd be great. But leave a comment. I answer all the comments. You guys see that. And leave a thumbs up. Show me support that you guys are liking what you're seeing. And if not, tell me why. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I'm not doing that you guys want to see. So I'll be looking forward to reading those comments. Till next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.